everyone, my name is Srinath Reddy Anayati. I am doing this video as part of my assignment. I am pursuing Masters of Networking in Melbourne Institute of Technology, Melbourne, Australia. My MIT ID is MIT 183-184 and my unit code is MN623 Cybersecurity and Analytics. In this video, I am going to perform three tools. One is ZenMap, which comes under Network Reconnaissance Tool. Metasploit Framework is an exploitation tool. Ollie Debugger is an reverse engineering tool. Let's have a look of these three tools in Kali Linux. For time being, I have already done attacks of these tools and I will give you overview of these tools. Firstly, I am performing ZenMap operation on testfire.net. This is a potential website kept in the online for attacking purpose. When I have performed ZenMap operation on testfire.net, these are the results I have got. Here we can see the open ports. What are the all open ports, and we can see the trace route of how it reaches the target. ZenMap is used for collecting critical information like IP address, number of hosts, open ports, etc. so that it can help for further attacking purpose. That's all about ZenMap. The next tool I am going to explain is about Metasploit framework. Before this, I will show you the IP address of Windows XP that I am going to attack. This is the IP address of Windows XP system which we are going to attack. Okay. I have already loaded the Metasploit framework so that it will be easy. And I have used the exploit operation here, and I have already set the payload as well and the IP address of the target network. We need to just give the command exploit to exploit the Windows XP. Here we can see the process has been started and it's exploiting the Windows XP. Now you can observe that it's showing C Windows System 32. That means the Windows XP is successfully hacked. Let me show you is it is genuinely hacked or not. Let's go to Windows XP. I'm going to create a folder here under the name of Kali from Kali Linux. Make folder Kali. Just now I have created Kali folder. Let's go and see whether it is created in XP or not. Yeah, here you can see that folder is successfully created. That means the attack is successful. We have exploited the Windows XP. Now let's have a look of third tool, which is reverse engineering tool, Ollie Debugger. Ollie Debugger is a reverse engineering tool. By this we can find source code of executable applications. That means .exe files only. And the importance of this tool is we can access the source code of the any .exe applications. Here I have already loaded power.iso.exe application. Here you can see this is the source code of how the power ISO. In this one we can see what are all the critical information like passwords, the te technology they have been used for making this program, and in this we can also append the data as well. Wherever we want we can modify the data, we can delete the data. Some of the attackers do sometimes some kinds of reverse engineering, and they will add potential malicious software and release into the market so that the normal users will download it and install them. and their systems will be get hacked. This is all about debugging tool. Thank you.